Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on Coda, a powerful all-in-one platform designed for creating dynamic documents that work like applications. Whether you're a project manager, entrepreneur, or team leader, Coda allows you to merge documents, spreadsheets, and databases into a single interactive space. This tutorial will introduce you to the basics of Coda and guide you on how to use it effectively in 2025. So before we get started, first, what is Coda? Coda is a document collaboration platform that takes the traditional document format and infuses it with the functionality of apps. It allows users to create interactive documents that are part spreadsheet, part database. It also collaborates with teams in real time and automate workflows with built-in tools and integrations. Coda's flexibility makes it ideal for managing projects, tracking data, creating team dashboards, and much more. So now let's get started. So when you sign up for an account on Coda, you will now be redirected to this page right here. So first, what kind of work do you do? So let's just say product management. What's your role? Selecting working solo, and what else can Coda help you with? So we can check all of this that we need. Click next. What tools do you currently use? Of course, let's just select the tools that we are currently using. So let's say like that. Click on next. How did you hear about Coda? Click on skip and get started. And now Coda is going to build our first doc. And as you can see right here, they have this built-in tutorial that will let us learn the basics. So let's click on Start Tutorial. And as you can see, here is our first Coda page. So we can click this to make this a call out. As you can see, so we have the call out icon right here. And last thing, we can click the insert menu and add a table. So as you can see, we can add a table, grid, cards, board, calendar, timeline, and much more. So let's say table. As you can see, we have just created this sample table right here. And now let's add three or more columns below, such as the notes, the priority, and the like. Click on next. Finally, choose a view to add. So let's select the timeline board or a board. Let's just say a calendar. Click on next. And that's basically it for the tutorial. So basically, the tutorial showed us what are the features that we can add to our document. So as you can see, here is the first part, which is our background. So this is the sample template of Coda. In our background, we can provide relevant context or basically introduction of your document. And we have added the tasks for launch right here. So basically, this is the table that we have added. So let's say this is the task marketing plan. This is the start date, the status, who is the assignee for this task, the end date, and of course, we can open the notes, and of course, we can also add new rows to this. So just simply add in the information that you want in the next rows. And we have also added this calendar right here. So we can also add tasks on our calendar. So if we have a task pending until Friday, we will see that there's a note right here. And next, so basically this is how you can use your document. And again, we can insert a bunch of different elements right here. So let's say right here, we can insert a line or just simply do that. As you can see, just click on anywhere in the bottom and then click on the plus icon to insert any elements. As you can see, there are a bunch of different templates right here. Same meeting notes. So we can add the notes right here. Next is we have this keep a journal section. So let's just wait for it to load. And from here, we have this pre-made template for our journal. So as you can see, you can simply add all of this information right here, such as how do you feel today, what you do today, how are you feeling, and we can add new dates. As you can see, this is from this day. So all of this data right here are just samples to help you uh, make your own journal your own. So the next feature is here we have the track my tasks section. So as you can see right here, we have this instructions right here. So you can track and update all your to-dos in Coda. You can change the priority, all of this tasks priority, the status, due date, and you can simply select the buttons. And here we have this instructions of a reading list. As you can see, like right here, this is how a reading list looks like in the template of Coda. So if you want to see all of your docs, you can always go back. So this is what your main dashboard will look like. You can see your workspace right here. You will see your shortcuts. You can manage templates. So as you can see, you can browse all templates. You can get inspired by real teams or simply make your own templates. You also have the packs right here, such as integrations with Salesforce, Jira, Google Sheets, Gmail. So all of these integrations, you can add it on your created docs. We also have our icons, but to use custom icons, you'll need to upgrade your subscriptions. Next is the members and groups. So if you want a team member to work with you on your doc, you can always invite them by clicking right here. Simply type in their emails, and of course, you can also change their admin roles, such as a doc maker or as simply a editor. And in our folder section, you'll see all of your docs right here. So basically, this is how you can use Coda.io for your documents. So feel free to explore more about how you can use Coda.io for your business needs, and you'll be able to use this in no time. So basically, that's it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.